What if I told you that the thermometer in your drawer is lying to you by almost 10 degrees? In 2026, speed is everything. Today, I tested the 5 fastest instant-read thermometers on the planet. One of them reads the temperature faster than you can blink. And one of them is a complete scam. Number 1. Thermoworks ThermoPop 2. The ThermoPop 2 is a different design from many of the models I've tested. Most have a folding probe, but the ThermoPop is rigid and comes with a hard plastic sheath that you can put in your pocket like a pen. The 4-inch probe ends in a teardrop-shaped head with a backlit LCD and an on-off switch. The temperature display rotates 360 degrees and 90 degrees increments, allowing you to hold it in either hand, vertically or horizontally, and still have a clear view. The display registers to the nearest 1/10 of a degree and was within 3/10 of a degree of the control temperature at its most accurate. The most the ThermoPop varied from our control was by 4 degrees Fahrenheit in the roasted chicken test. It's a good thermometer for those who need accuracy and speed for roasting, grilling, or smoking, or those who need precise liquid temperature measurement at a mid-range price. Probe length, 4.5 inches, temperature range, -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, warranty, 2 years. Number 2. ThermoMaven F1 Stealth Digital Thermometer. Our new best value winner was a close call. It had the best accuracy of any in the latest test group, with its highest deviation from the control thermometer a mere 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Given that the control registered in whole number increments while the F1 Stealth displays in 1/10 degree increments, this could be a rounding issue, and the Stealth may have operated within its plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit margin of error. After testing dozens of thermometers, I've yet to see one consistently register as quickly as its manufacturer claims, and the F1 Stealth is no exception. Its highest response time was 6.7 seconds, its lowest was 2 seconds, and its average was 3.35 seconds, all of which are above the stated 1 second. The case is rectangular with smooth angles, but those angles still leave some edges that can dig into your hand, so, while I wouldn't call this uncomfortable to hold, I wouldn't call it comfortable either. The red-on-black LED was easy to read even in limited lighting, and the display rotates 180 degrees to align with the case's direction, so you won't have to worry about reading it upside down. The 4.3-inch probe is fairly standard length, which allows you to keep your hands away from the heat, unless you're working directly over an open burner or grill. This thermometer's accuracy impressed me, and while there are faster thermometers out there, I found the balance of speed, accuracy, and price made this a great value. Probe length, 4.3 inches, temperature range, -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, warranty, 1 year, lifetime with registration. Number 3. Dash Meat Thermometer. Thermocouple and digital thermometers differ in that thermocouples generate electrical voltage as a representation of temperature, which goes through a series of calculations before displaying a number. Digital thermometers are more of a complete unit that rely on multiple sensors, typically thermistors, to display the temperature. Thermocouples are, on the whole, durable and designed to handle high heat, but these are just a couple of reasons I'd recommend one. The Dash delivers speed and accuracy at a fraction of the price of our favorite, albeit with some design sacrifices, meaning it's a little blocky and one-dimensional. This thermometer registered within 1 degree to 2 degrees Fahrenheit of accuracy in our freezing and boiling water tests, with even better accuracy in our cooking tests, which reflects a more normal usage. It had a 3 to 5 second response time, which puts it slightly behind the Thermopen one, but a thermocouple thermometer isn't quite as fast as a digital model, so we don't necessarily count that as a negative. The price, however, is hard to beat. Probe length, 4.5 inches, temperature range, -40 degrees to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, warranty, 1 year. Number 4. ThermoPro TP18 Meat Thermometer. This thermometer is a close runner-up to our best value winner. In my testing, I found it very responsive to the boiling and ice water tests, especially for a thermocouple model, registering between 1 and 3 seconds with a 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit variation from the control. Oddly, the response time and accuracy wavered in the mid-range temperature tests, but only by about 3 degrees. It's a simple thermometer, with few features, save a button to lock the display to the current temperature and a latch to retract the probe when extended 180 degrees. The case is comfortable to hold, save for 2 mounting magnets on the back, which somehow aligned perfectly with my first and third finger and felt a little weird. The case is also a bit brittle, so I'd be careful not to drop it or place it where it could get crushed. Probe length, 4 inches, temperature range, -14 degrees to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, warranty, 3 years. Number 5. Cuisinart CSG 200 Infrared and Folding Grilling Thermometer. The Cuisinart Infrared and Folding Grilling Thermometer fills 2 heat measuring needs in one device. In addition to its instant read capability, this thermometer also has a point-and-shoot infrared thermometer, which you can use to assess the surface temperature of your grill or skillet before cooking and then use the probe to spot-check your food's internal temperature. The instant-read thermometer performed very well in our boiling and sous vide testing, giving spot-on accuracy in about 2 seconds. There were a few nitpicky issues with this thermometer, in that the display doesn't rotate to orient with the direction you're holding the base, the backlighting could be brighter in a low-light oven, and the infrared thermometer isn't as easy to aim as its dedicated competitors. But, you get 2 good thermometers for far less than the cost of buying them separately, so we consider that a win. And that's why the ThermoBlade 2026 is the only thermometer you should trust. Don't let your next holiday turkey be a disaster.